Hello everybody, this is Rachel with Walk Strong Roanoke, and I wanted to quickly hop on and make a video to tell you about our upcoming January Weekend Warrior Challenge. So what are the specifics about this? This is going to be a free challenge that is starting January 1st, and a lot of it is going to be up to you and your goals and accountability, okay? But the weekend is very important, and it's gonna help us be successful this entire week, an entire month for this challenge, which is why it's called a Weekend Warrior. All right, so every Saturday, you're going to have new full-length free workout videos here from my YouTube channel. So be looking for that every Saturday morning. It's going to post, so that means we're going to have 5 this month and maybe even some extra bonus ones as well. So I'm super excited. I've been listening to your feedback of some of the videos that you want to see, so I hope that you will do those videos every week and plan them into your upcoming week. Also, every weekend, I want you to take the time to do a couple things. First, I want you to review your upcoming fitness and health goals. So you're only going to be making weekly goals this month, okay? So every weekend you're gonna sit down and you're going to plan out what are my fitness and health goals just for this week, for these 7 days. All right, the second thing I want you to do over the weekend is to meal plan and meal prep for your upcoming week. All right, so you make your grocery lists, you figure out what you're going to have when you go to work, whatever it is, with a meal prep and meal plan. All right, and then that third thing, you plan your week outs ahead of time for the upcoming week. So the workouts are so important, whether you're doing them at home, at the gym, whether you are planning on doing my YouTube workouts, things like that, okay? So those 3 things you're gonna be doing every single week, so that every weekend you're planning for the upcoming week. Again, this is why it's called our Weekend Warrior Challenge, okay? So we're only going to be making goals this month that are just for the upcoming 7 days. That way we can focus on what's working and what doesn't. So if you make a goal for the week and it does not work, instead of being discouraged and feeling like the whole month is blown out, then you have that next weekend to plan a different goal, okay? Something that might be more attainable. All right, so the purpose of this goal is for us to make short, attainable goals that we can work on throughout the entire month, so that when we get to February a month with some of my other challenges, we'll be able to build on that and make longer and longer goals, okay? So I'm super excited about this. So what I also would like you to do to focus on this month as well is 3 other elements, okay? I want us to work on our physical health, I want us to work on our emotional health, and our spiritual health. If that seems like it's too much for you to work on those 3 things, then I want you to take one of those, okay? Or you could work on 1 week, you could work on your physical health, and then the next week you could work on your spiritual health, something like that. So I wrote down some ideas of what I mean by these 3 different things, okay? So for our physical health, what that would mean is, what workouts are we gonna do, okay? Is it going to be 30 minutes? Can we do 60 minutes? Can we do 1 day a week? Can we do 5 days a week? All right, so being specific with our workouts, okay? Our nutrition, working on that. So we're gonna be doing that with doing our meal plans and our meal prep, all right? Getting proper rest. That's different for everybody. So whatever your body needs to have for proper rest, okay? Meal portions is just as important as meal planning and prepping. Recognizing your personal body signs of illness, all right? If you start to feel run down or incredibly sore after all of your workouts and you're not recovering properly, just recognizing those things and just taking a step back and listening to your body, all right? Taking supplements and vitamins. I personally like to do a more natural, holistic approach to my vitamins and my supplements and trying to stay healthy. So I encourage you to figure out what is going to be best for your body and figure out how you want to reach your goals with your nutrition and your supplements and your vitamins, okay? So those are some ideas on what you can do for your physical health. So you can take 1 or 2 of those suggestions that I gave you and write it down for this week and say, okay, for physical health, this is what I want to work on this week, okay? So the second thing, emotional health, okay? This is a big thing. I know that with COVID and everything that went on in the year 2020, there was a lot of struggles and there were a lot of letdowns and a lot of changes. So we want to work on our emotional health every week and this whole month. Okay, so here's some suggestions of things that you can work on. All right, so emotional health, practicing stress management techniques, doing a thankful journal to cultivate a positive attitude. We've talked about that before in some of our challenge groups with doing that suggestion. Learning time management skills. Time management skills will help you with what I'm suggesting that you do, that you take the weekend to plan out your upcoming week. That way you're not starting Monday morning and you're saying, oh my gosh, what do I need to do to eat today, to pack for work, or to make dinner for the family so that I can eat healthy, or what workout was I planning today, okay? So taking the weekend to plan your upcoming week is going to help you with those good time management skills. And again, that's so good for your emotional health, because then you're not so stressed about waiting till the last minute to plan some of these things. You're going to be more successful when you plan ahead, which also helps you emotionally. All right, seeking and providing support and help. That could be medical help if you feel like you need that, by professionals for emotional health. That could be coming to a fitness group or seeking out positive friends online to help you with your fitness goals. All right, and accepting and forgiving yourself. That is something that's so important as we're doing this challenge. The reason why we're only making weekly goals instead of monthly goals is because sometimes we're going to fall short. Things are going to happen. And so we need to just forgive ourselves and move on and not beat ourselves up to say, there's no point in me doing this challenge. I totally screwed it up last week or yesterday or whatever. We need to just forgive and move on and do the best that we can. All right? So that's our physical health, that's our emotional health. Let's talk about our spiritual health. Spiritual health, we can look for opportunities for growth in life's challenges. We all have challenges, they all look different for different people. So trying to look for those opportunities to grow, all right? That's why we get those challenges in our life. Spending time alone to pray or to meditate or to read or to study the scriptures. Be fully present in everything that you do. I really liked that suggestion. And living by your principles. We also were able to do a 30-day program, I believe it was 30 days or 4 weeks, of the Leslie Sansone Fitness and Faith book. So that would be something that you could do again if you're wanting to incorporate a more spiritual health element into your goals. So hopefully you can either rewatch this video, or hopefully you had a pen and paper to write down all of these suggestions and things for this upcoming challenge. So again, quick recap. This is our January Weekend Warrior Challenge. The reason why it's called Weekend Warrior is because we are taking the weekend, whether it's Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, to prep for the week. We're prepping for ourselves spiritually, mentally, physically. We're making our meal prep. We're planning our nutrition out, we're planning our workouts, and we're only planning goals out for the week so that we can feel successful. And you can share those goals here on YouTube by commenting below, or if you want more accountability, daily accountability or weekly accountability, you can join my Walk Strong Roanoke private Facebook group. It is free. It has been incredibly successful this whole year of 2020 while people have been at home and in quarantine. So I'm so excited, and I hope you guys will take the opportunity to do this challenge and enjoy the YouTube workouts that we have that are coming up every Saturday. Comment below, let me know if you're going to be joining me for this challenge. Again, this is just something fun for you guys to kickstart the new year. And with making these small goals, it is going to help us as a stepping stone to get prepared for our February group challenge as well as our March group challenge. I've already planned those out. I'm super excited about those. I don't want to give anything away other than work on your January goals so that we can be successful for February and then be successful for March. Okay, as you know, I'm really big into making attainable goals and sticking with them and just being consistent. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. I'm so excited that you are a part of my Walk Strong Roanoke team. Keep walking, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.